Alright guys, today is something extremely special. This guy, right here, a huge front-mounted intercooler is gonna go right there. Yeah, right there. On the N55, on the M235i. And we might actually be able to gap a brand new M2. 6 months ago, my dad bought a brand new G87 M2. Oh, look at it. Since then, he hasn't stopped reminding me, telling me that his car is finally faster than mine.
I did ask if I could have an N55 put in that.
Yeah.
And they said, no, because they're shit.
And I'll be honest, I didn't take that well. So I set myself a challenge. Make my old M235i faster and I'll do whatever it takes. Not even a week later after picked up his M2, I tuned my car to 390 horsepower, although it still wasn't enough. A few months later, I threw on a downpipe to try and squeeze even more power. It still wasn't enough. There was one thing left. Stage 2 Plus. If I install a performance intercooler, I can finally push the car to Stage 2 Plus and maybe, just maybe, take him down. So today, we're doing exactly that. Installing a massive intercooler, tuning the car and lining up against the M2. Let's see if the old BMW still has what it takes. Do you reckon that's possible?
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
Easily.
Yeah. It's just, 10 years difference. Stock is about almost 200 horsepower less. 200 kgs less though, but including me, it's like, yeah, it's not great. As you can see, the car is already on jacks. I think it's time to just get into it. I think we're just going to install it. We need to install it, and then we need to tune it, and then we'll race him. Yeah. Let's do it.
Charlie, what are you doing down there?
Well, underneath here, I am taking off the under tray, as you can see. Now, the under tray is a key part to this, because if you don't take off the under tray, well, you can't actually get to the intercooler. Oh, it went right in my ear. Oh, that's disgusting. Now my eye hurts. I don't know how that worked.
Alright guys, under tray is out. What's the next step?
I don't know, bro.
He doesn't even know.
Right then guys, so now the under tray is off, you can see the old intercooler. Here is it right here. Literally all we've got to do is there's one screw here and the other screw somewhere like there. You can see that right there. And then we undo the pipes, both sides, the charge pipe and the boost pipe, and then the intercooler just pops straight out. It should actually be really easy, and I'm hoping it's gonna be. Me and Leo were genuinely down here for like good 2-3 hours. I don't know why it took us so long to get his intercooler out, but the issue was the charge pipe. We just weren't budging. But finally, Leo pulled some strings, and he was finally able to pull it out. That was good. I mean, oh my god, you. Oh, Leo, you legend. You guys don't know how long that took us to do that. Honestly, I was sat here, I was thinking I'm gonna give up in a minute. I literally just sat there and I thought, yeah, I'm giving up. Look at him. Look at this man. The man with a plan. Give me one of these, bro. Come on. Well done, Leo. Well done. Look at that dusty ass intercooler. Just see the front of that. I don't know. Like, look at the size difference. Smaller. This is so small. Wick it around the front. Let's see the front. Right guys, so if you guys wanted to know what the side-by-side comparison is, here it is. This is the dusty old one. Here is the brand new one from MTC. I think it's 5-inch or 5.5-inch intercooler. Anyway, it should be going up to 600 horsepower. We're going to only to 430 today, so we'll be alright. As you can see, this is mostly plastic, yeah? So look, nice and easy. Nice and easy to pick up. This isn't mostly plastic.
There's no plastic at all.
This is quite heavy, and we've got to push this up. Oh, I don't know how this is going to go, but we're going to have to see. Let's try it. AKA, Leo's got to do it.
Oh.
No, I think it's a two-man job. I think we've got to push it up from both sides.
We're hitting the two-man.
We're hitting the two-man. Leo, please talk to me about what we've just done.
There's a bunch of dirt in my eye. But, this bad boy is in. We basically zip tied this to that to pull the fan back, and we pulled this. Charlie's just giving me the clamp so I can put the charge pipe onto the intercooler. The boost pipe just went in on its own, that was lucky. And I'm about to put this on and then cut that zip tie, and then we're all good. Intercooler's in.
Oh yeah!
Plus 40 horsepower.
And we can beat PB's M2. We're going to have a few words with PB while we're doing this. I think he's coming out now to see, hopefully, that we're not doing well, but I think we are. Right, Dad.
What's up?
That intercooler is going in.
Yeah. This one came out.
Yeah, this one came out.
Dirty.
And that intercooler means 40 horsepower, right?
40 more.
Yeah.
Which makes
Which
your
should mean...
car, what, 210?
Haha, 430. And your car is 480?
480. Stop.
Stock, yours is 480. Modded, mine's 430.
Yeah.
Now, power to weight. Your car is 1.7.5 tons and 480 horsepower. My car is 1.49 tons.
Yeah.
And 430 horsepower after today.
And 16 years older.
10 years older.
All right, 10 years older.
And not even a real M car.
Well, you're welcome.
So how embarrassing is it going to be when I beat you?
We'll see. We'll see. Remember, keep it up to the speed limit.
Oh, we're driving to Mexico
Are
to
we?
do the race. Of course, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And so after we get the intercooler in, we're going to go get the ferry down to Mexico, and we'll catch you guys
In 2 weeks.
in 2 weeks.
Your YouTube intercooler is in.
That's bone dry.
Look at it right there. Boost pipe is on. Don't know if you can see that. Other side is on. It's all good. Charlie's down there. Show him.
Guys, I'm going to tell you, this was, considering, right, it's 2 screws you have to undo in the entire thing. This job was hard. I never want to mess with induction things ever again. Charge pipe was hard. Intercooler was hard. I mean, we practically did after charge pipe just doing this.
Yeah.
But it's on. It's actually on, and it's screwed in.
Put it up the hands.
And now we're going to turn on the car while it's on jacks and just see if we got a boost leak. And, you know, hopefully it doesn't blow up.
Alright guys, I'm putting everything away. Charlie is currently doing the under tray.
Oh, yeah.
Nearly there.
Not really.
Not really. Intercooler's all in. Everything's all good. We checked it. We started the car. We ran it. No leaks as far as we know. Getting the under tray on.
And then we're going to go for a little test drive.
What's up? Intercooler installed. It's time to go gapping some M cars. B58s aren't even the competition anymore. Battling M cars.
Right, guys, so the first test drive with the intercooler. We're not tuned yet. We're not tuned stage 2 plus, but we're just going to test it stock. We're going to test the power. So, first pull. Wow, that feels really fast. What the f? That built boost slow. Oh my god! Nah. Why was that so? It's so much louder as well.
It is. Bro, my phone went flying. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What the f?
Oh my god!
Oh my! When it builds boost!
100% faster.
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
We're not even tuned! No! What the f?
Bro, why don't you have a dyno at your house? Oh my god.
We're not tuned just yet, so we're going to flash, it's in a minute, we're going to flash on MHD, stage 2 plus, right? But we're just doing a little run here to test for boost leaks. We're going to drive home right now, and we're going to do it. Let's do one last pull. Second gear.
Oh my god. What are we doing over here?
Right, we are tuning. So, I'll give you guys a rundown on what we're doing. This goes into the OBD port. Right, now, you can load up the MHD app. Here we are, connecting to the DME. Here we are. Right, now, big time. So, usually we run stage 2. We're now going to go stage 2 plus. This says upgraded downpipes and front mounted intercooler recommended. We have got all them things. That right time, 17 seconds.
Wow.
Big up MHD. Now, technically, we're on 430 horsepower. You know what? While we're here, we can disconnect everything. We should look at the actual figures of what MHD says we should do. Should I get this dynoed? Let me know in the comments section. Right, guys. So I'm on the MHD website. It says here. So for the N55 EWG, the electronic wastegate version, which I have, stage 2, which was I was on before, is 390 horsepower and 580 newton meters of torque. Stage 2 plus is now 430 horsepower and 630 newton meters of torque. I think we have a rocket ship. Let's go for a test drive with the tune.
I think you're fine.
This already feels faster. genuinely nervous. I'm a little bit nervous now on a back road. What? Oh my god! I think we're a medium. You think? Can't be, can it? Yeah, it's faster.
Yeah, I've got this. Definitely faster.
What is it with that wrap?
That is. Oh. Oh my god.
Whoa!
Oh my god.
Jesus! The boost!
Oh my
Felt
god.
that! Oh, I went all the way back here.
Yeah.
I weren't expecting that. Damn.
Even on the uphill, you can feel the
That
power.
wasn't full throttle. It's not giving me. There we go.
Oh my
It didn't give me
god.
power. It was gonna go. It was gonna slip too much, but
These
then,
roads aren't they?
yeah, these roads are too bumpy for the car. It won't give me the power.
Oh my god.
He's in shock. He's in shock right now. You know what as well? It surprisingly grips really well.
It did.
That gripped.
Oh my god.
Still out. Look at the weather. It's beautiful. I remember being able to come down here last summer when this car was stock, and this would be the perfect road for it.
Yeah.
It's too fast for it now. I'm genuinely scared to drive this car down a bumpy-ish road like this. See? And it got to power so quick.
He's so fast.
Should we turn?
Yeah, yeah. And you didn't do anything.
It's when I change gear.
It just kicked in.
It's when I change gear. I change gear and then I like get sent back even further.
That's what, bro. You'll see in the video. My head just went back.
Yeah, what the hell?
Oh my god.
That is, yeah. That's just yeah, bro. That's just yeah.
Oh. Bro, look. We're in the forest. You can get hard verbals on here. Oh man.
Ready? Bro, that f***ing brat when it was high in the reps was evil. Boom!
No, there isn't one. That's on the other side.
Whoa! That picks up power so quick!
Oh my god.
What the hell? What the helly? What the helly, Mary?
What?
Oh, that was sick. Right, guys, it is the next day, and as you can see, we have the main man, PB, right here with his G87 M2. Now, this is running stock power, about 480 horsepower. Yeah, considering this, as you guys know, it's now 430 horsepower, probably undynoed, but you know, maybe. Look at the size difference. This car weighs at least 250 pounds. I'm American. At least 250 kilograms more than my car. Power to weight. PB's car is 274. My car, 287.
I don't know what that means.
Power to weight. It's the only really thing that matters.
What really does matter is this little badge here.
Is it? Do you think you're gonna use the M sauce against me?
It will happen.
Well, you know what?
Let's see what happens.
Let's get on the road. So here we are, the ultimate showdown. David versus Goliath, old versus new, M Lite versus full M, M235i versus a G87 M2. 2 generations, 1 road and 1 winner. Let's find out who takes the crown.
When you floor it, you just got...
Yeah. Right, that's 2. The first run was kind of... we didn't really know the winner. The second run though, I think we got the winner down, and I think it was me. But the third run, let's see if I can double down on the streak.
You were holding him off.
Yeah.
He wasn't catching up.
Yeah, I won that one.
Oh my god.
I won that one. Oh my god.
That's crazy.
I'll call him. I think we've done well. I think it was 2 for 2.
How do you feel?
I feel like I've just gapped an M2. That one right there. I feel like I now have the fastest car in history. Any Lambo, any B58, any other M car, don't come at me because I'll probably lose. Right guys, that is the end of today's video. As you can see, my new intercooler is sitting pretty down there. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. I feel like it was a real cool video, you know. We put the intercooler in, we tuned it, we took it for a little test drive, and then the end of it, we PBs, M2. Yeah, I really enjoyed today's video, guys. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to like and subscribe. If you guys want to watch my last video, click up there. It's a full Corsa build when we built the Corsa. I mean, it's not even here anymore. We got rid of it, but click up there, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. Goodbye, guys.